When police now said, okay, we have arrested the Baba Ijesa for you, don't worry, he will pay. Now, bring the girl that you said she's 14 years old now. Bring her, let us go and run a test. She's 14, she's not meant to be having sex. Okay, let's go and run a test. And when police ran a test on the girl, the test came out and said, healing broken hymen. That means her virginity was just taken, not quite long, but it has not finished healing. Then there is presence of semen and evidence of perpetual penetration. Ibẹ̀ ni wọ́n tún wá òbá ìpè ọlọ́pàá wá padà kọjú sí ọmọ yẹn pé ẹni sùúrù 7 years ago kò lè jẹ́ òun ló ṣe ń jiná yìí. It means that your virginity was taken recently. Omo, sit down. Who and who have been having sex with you that you know? The girl did not mention Baba Ijesa. Okay, good. Who had sex with you? Who took it? He said, but that Damilola, who is Damilola? It turns out to be one Damilola Adekola. And you can't actually kawe koja akaba wo pe bi an se bayi. Mo ti se wadi an mo ri pe kò sí nǹkan kan be. Wọ́n àwọn tó wà ń di kíní ẹ̀wọ̀n mo fọlọ́ bàbúrà èèyàn tó tún wà ń bẹ̀ tó tún ṣe bẹ́ẹ̀ tó gbé fúkẹ́ díẹ̀ kò lè gbà kẹ́ gbé dá orúkọ òun sí. He will spend everything to remove his name. And never tiẹ̀ dá orúkọ mi sí ní ìsínbẹ̀. Ṣé ni ẹlẹ́wà ní kí n máa bẹ̀rù? Ìwọ tó wà ń di kan tó lè jáde pé ni mo dúró tì wọ́n. They only package the whole stuff to cause distraction and division and diversion. So as gbogbo yín, and they have people that can play on social media. Ẹ bá gbàgbé gbogbo àwọn people yìí. Each of the people involved, they formed a common ground. Gbogbo the only presence on the social media. One day, ibi agbára yẹn ti bọ̀ social media ni, ibi tí phone yẹn ti bọ̀ social media ni. Let us start creating division. Wàá kọ̀ mú conspiracy theory kan wá dá síta. Ìwọ lọ dání wọn rú.